Learn how to capture attention. My job is to wake people up.
Label, and yeah, it just took off. I beat my old numbers in like 2 months with private label, but now we're actually doing another big transition, and it's going to be off Amazon, going into the eco niche, off of Amazon, just Shopify first, and then you know, little by little start introducing private label onto Amazon when we find successful products. So yeah, that's it.
That's great. Will you do like content then? Use this knowledge and apply it to Shopify?
Yes. I mean, thanks to Manuel's course, you know, it's given us the biggest leg up.
Yeah.
You know, my wife.
Oh, you took the course?
Yeah.
Right,
so
okay.
she's only just coming into the business now, my wife, and she's like, you know, the eco side, why we're going into it. She's really into it. But your course is like, you know, just blown her mind. She's like, oh,
you're in my course?
God. Yeah.
You're in my course?
Yeah, she's like, this is just incredible. And it's, you know, it's so well presented, you know, for everybody. So she's really just crammed that knowledge in, and you know, we're probably joining forces now. Yeah,
awesome.
It's been
so
really
how
good.
did you find out about me? Curious.
You were just around, I think just initial call, yeah, Facebook.
Hey, that would make sense,
I mean,
right?
like, you know, my feed is, you know, my feed is like 90% marketing, guru ads, you know, so you started popping
I
up.
wonder why. Yeah. It's funny how people sometimes they don't understand. Like they're like, what is this magic? How does Facebook know what I want, right? Why don't they promote toys on my feed or any of that stuff?
Well, actually, no, because you know, you got the button, why am I seeing this? But you got that now with the post, don't you? How many is that? Why am I seeing this post?
Exactly, that was a recent update.
That's quite cool.
Which is something that I would recommend to all of you guys, because as you start understanding the whole Facebook world, you want to understand how the algorithm works. You guys all understand how the Amazon algorithm works. At least you speculate on it, right? It's always changing, there's always viewpoints on it, but on the Facebook algorithm, the more you understand it, the more you can utilize it to your advantage. And right now, for example, one thing that is cool is that any single post, whether friends, family, advertisers, anybody, you can find out why it's being placed there. And you can start being like, wow. Okay, so it gets really micro. Check it out. I mean, I'm obsessed with the whole world, right? So I always look at the posts. I don't like seeing my friends and family. I like seeing advertising on it. But now I like to see the friends and family posts because it explains to me why. The other day I opened up my Facebook feed and there was a post from a Facebook group that I'm a part of. And I said, wait a second. I'm curious as to why Facebook thinks that I should be seeing this. When I have 5,000 people on my friend list, I have all these groups that I joined, why did they decide to post this here? And when I click on it, it said, we decided to show you this post because recently you've been engaging more with posts that don't have any images or videos. Text post. And that's why, because this one also, this person in this group is your personal friend, we decided to show you this post. Very granular. Wow. Incredible. So, okay, good. So that's how the algorithm works. So you got to keep on working on giving your audience more of that, which is a lot of what I teach on my course. I like, you got to give content and information that creates engagement. And once you do that, Facebook puts you more in front of them. It's all an algorithm to protect user experience. They want you guys to see what you want to see.
Is that part of Thursdays, tomorrow's masterclass?
We've got a lot of stuff to cover.
Right.
Yeah, I actually did. Tonight we have, I think Shelly was stressed out about it because we have 127 slides for 1 hour.